Hey, Rick from Gasoline Alley Toys here, continuing on with our video series of how to install parts and decals. Today we're going to move on to the decal side of it. We're going to show you how to install a small or a medium-sized decal. Bigger decals we're going to save for a separate video on its own because it's a little bit more tricky, or can be. We've gone to all peel and stick decals now, got away from water transfers. There's more shelf life to them, a lot less chance of them ripping apart on you. Mylar's strong, durable. Lasts forever in the bins, should never get a bad sticker from us. Water transfers really didn't have much shelf life, so that's why we've gotten away from them. There is a couple different things you can do for installation purposes that almost makes them like water transfers. That's what I'm going to kind of show you today. So I just grabbed one of my standard Buddy All rough pieces just for a piece of sheet metal, not painted. It'll stick, decals will still stick to paint or no paint. So that I'm just going to put it on there. Different trucks or different toys will have a little bit. Got a tub of water here, just plain water with a couple drops of Dawn dishwashing soap in it just to help break the surface tension of the water. Tweezers, blue tape, and then just the stickers and decals, and just some paper towel to wipe them all down. So the first thing, we'll just do a small decal. Nice little Buddy L sticker decal, nice and small. These have to be on white film, but with a clear film a lot of times it's just easier to really use the tweezers. You can get under with a corner with the tweezers, hook the corner of it, lift. Now the thing you can do, much like the water transfers, you can actually, once it's peeled off the paper, you can dip it in water and it won't bite so hard on you. Okay, so you can take it right in the tweezers, put it in the water, okay, try to get it lined up and see it'll slide along the paper or the paint. So you can kind of position it how you want it, get it squared up how you want. Once you got her in position, squared up, as soon as you put pressure on it, it's going to be home though. Okay, start from the center with your finger, work out. Okay, no bubbles. Let's take a piece of paper towel, wipe it off. Okay, good to go. No air bubbles, no nothing. Okay, as long as you use the soapy water, it'll let you slide it along and position it if you get crooked. So just to show you, I'm going to do one more like that. Okay, get it off, catch the corner with the tweezers. Now if I went just like this, it might bite on you and stick. Okay, dip it in the water, soapy water. Doesn't matter how crooked you get it initially. Okay, and get her lined up. I'll get it straight below the other one, see as much as I can. Pretty good. Start from the center and work to the outside. Push. There you go. Okay. Kind of putting them on like a water transfer, but they're still peel and stick. They're much more durable for you. Okay, they're on and home. Okay, next one we're going to go to a medium-sized decal. Okay, these you can do the same way. They're a little bit bigger, but you can still do the same way. The other way I actually recommend, if you put it down, try to get it in position. Okay, you can actually, just with the blue tape, okay, blue masking tape, go right over the edge of it. Okay, get it lined up so it's square on the top. Push it down. Okay, you can peel that right off the paper. The sticker will come with the mask. Okay. Now you can hold the tape instead of this actual sticker. Line it up however you want on the tape. Get the edge down. Again, start from the center and work your way out. Okay, center, work your way out. Okay, and you get it nice and pushed down. Simply grab the tape, pull it about a 45-degree angle from the installation. Okay, wipe with your paper towel. Okay, there you go. So there's a water installation and a non-water installation. No bubbles in either one of them. Okay, the better you do it. So there you go. Nice and simple. Nice easy way to do smaller medium-sized decals, both different ways, with water, with blue masking tape, however. Like I said, we'll do the bigger ones a little bit later down the road here to show you, because there's a few more different tricks that I've learned through the years. I've lettered full-size vans all the way down to Tonkas and Matchbox cars. So this is a good review of the small and medium ones. Remember, all of our decals and stickers and parts are always available on toydecals.com, GasolineAlleyToys.com, on our Facebook page, Gasoline Alley Toys and Antiques. You can call us at the shop, 608-519-2151. Thanks, have a good day.